Okay, this is a quick video on Bose. Um, a lot of people kind of badmouth Bose. They're certainly overpriced, I believe, for the quality of sound and stuff. Whether they're audiophile quality and stuff, you can make a lot of arguments that they aren't. But they do have certain things that I enjoy. I think I have some speakers for my computer that are Bose, self-amplified speakers. But anyway, if you're familiar with Bose, they have a catchphrase that says better sound through research. And they've had that slogan for a very long time. And no one really questions it until now. So this video is all about the catchphrase better sound through research. Everybody attributes it to Bose. If you do a search on Google, you'll find that it's questions for crossword puzzles and stuff. Which company has the catchphrase better sound through research and stuff. So this video is going to be about this box here. This is a speaker. It's a replacement speaker or a naked speaker from the major speaker corporations from Van Nuys. Now, if you do some research on Bose, started out in somewhere very close to Van Nuys, if it wasn't Van Nuys, which is interesting. This is speaker 809W from the major speaker corporation, like I said. It just says Van Nuys, no zip code, no nothing, so it's quite an old speaker. You can see the price here was $6.95, which is interesting. I don't remember where I found this speaker, but it does say it's a new 8-inch speaker. Okay, so let's open it up, and it's got a nice packaging. We can open this up, take out the speaker, let's take it out here. There we go. And the first thing we notice, it's a pretty red speaker. Let's take it out of its bag. Take a better look at it here. It's never been used. It is a new speaker. And the cone's in good shape. It's got a paper cone. I think both of these are paper. It's got some interesting glue that holds the paper on. It's got cork around the sides. The cork is very hard. It's not pliant anymore. And on the other side we have some push terminals. I think you can see that. My camera's probably not going to focus on it. Some push terminals. There's a red one and a white one. And there's some little wires that go onto the speaker cone. But the interesting thing about this speaker, other than its pretty gold color and red cone and everything, it's a very nice speaker, is this tag in the back. So we will zoom in on that, and I think you can see it. It says better sound through research and development. So did the Bose Corporation rip this off? Or did they purchase this company and it became part of Bose and they incorporated it? Or was it a predecessor to Bose? Why did they drop the and development part? Better sound through research. Maybe and development was just too long. Maybe the marketing department said, no, we need to shorten that up. So anyway, it's very interesting that this certainly predates Bose, the Bose company. And I don't know if I can get a date off of this thing anywhere, but it's definitely old. And I actually wrote a letter to the Bose Corporation, and I said, hey guys, what's up? This company seems to have predated your better sound through research. What's up with that? Are you guys associated with Major in any ways? And I got a response back from Bose, from their marketing department. And they said, news to us, and we don't know anything about it. If anybody out there knows anything about the Major Corporation, the Major Speaker Corporation. So they were just making speakers under the name Major. They were in Van Nuys, California, and they seem to have the same slogan as Bose. So yeah, if anybody has any info, I'd be very curious. Or if somebody needs this particular speaker, maybe this is like a classic for some type of hi-fi unit or something. I don't think it's powerful enough for a guitar amplifier, but it looks like it went in some type of hi-fi. It's very interesting. Anyway, if anybody has any information, put it in the comment section. Major Corporation. Better sound through research and development.